Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a hardest maths problem. It is a nice exponential equation which is t to the power t is equal to 49, t is equal to what? It is a increasing function which is t to the power t is equal to 49. So first of all, we know that 7 to the power 2, this is 49. But this is t to the power t. This exponent and this base both are same, but this is 7, this is 2, both are not same. But if you think 2 to the power 2, this is 4, this is not 49. But if you think 3 to the power 3, this is 27, this is not 49. But if you think 4 to the power 4, this is 256, this is not 49. But at this moment you can see easily this t, it is always greater than 3 and less than 4. Because of that, this is 49. Now, at this moment, I use both side natural log. This is t to the power t is equal to 49. So if I use both side ln, this is our math solution. T to the power t and ln 49. I use both side natural log. Now, at this moment, this exponent, I mean this t move on in front according to natural log formula. So this is t ln t is equal to ln 4. I solved this increasing function step by step. Now this is ln t, this is t, but this is ln 49. So how to find the value of t in this equation? So basic algebra doesn't work here. So we want to apply here is lambda w function. So lambda w function a e to the power a, which is a. Look, this is a, this is a. So we need here is e. And we know that e to the power ln a, which is a. So if I apply this math formula here, so I take this ln t here, ln t, and I take this t here, and this is ln 49. Now, this is ln t, and this t, it will be e to the power ln t. Because of that, e to the power ln a is equal to a, so e to the power ln t, it will be t. And at this moment, this ln t both are same, and I use easily here is lambda w function, and here ln 49. Then at this moment, I use lambda w function ln t e to the power ln t. Then this is a lambda w function ln 49. Now this is ln t, this is ln t. So at this moment you can see easily lambda w function a e to the power a is equal to a. So if I apply this identity here, so it will be ln t is equal to lambda w function ln 49. Now this is ln t, but t is equal to what? So I apply this math formula again here. So I use both side e ln t is equal to e lambda w function ln 49. Now this is e to the power ln t, this is t, is equal to e to the power lambda w function ln 49. This is our final answer in this exponential hardest maths question. But at this moment, if I use calculator, we are find out this t, it will be 3.278. This is the value of t in this maths Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoy this maths problem, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care everyone.